Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Todoist help and support. Todoist is a popular task and productivity app used by millions to organize Todoist project deadlines and reminders across devices. And you can create tasks, subtask labels, fillers, and you can collaborate with others, making it ideal for personal and team productivity. Millions of users appreciate its clean interface, cross-platform syncing, and feature sets ranging. So how to contact Todoist help and support? First, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top you can see there's an address bar. Type down Todoist.com and enter it. Over here select open Todoist, and once you open to the Todoist app, over here we could see on the top we could see there's a profile icon. Tap to the profile icon here and go to the settings, and once you reach into this interface of the Todoist, on the bottom we could see there's an option for the help and resources. Select to the help and resources here and go to the help center. Here you can also search or ask a question in the search bar, but if you want to directly contact, you can select this option for contact us. Here you can choose for what reason you want to contact Todoist, as I'm going to select one of the reason, or you can select this something else and you can type down the reason as well, and after that you can ask for the help. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to contact Todoist help and support. If you have any query or comment, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.